Tired of old Basecamp projects cluttering your workspace and slowing you down? Let's walk through how to permanently delete a project in Basecamp, keeping your data clean and your team focused first. Navigate to the project you wish to delete. You can do this by clicking on the Projects tab in the main navigation, and then selecting the specific project from the list. Once inside the project, look for the Manage button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to open the project management options. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and select the option that says Archive or Delete this project. Clicking this will take you to the project's archive and deletion settings. Now, here's the important part. Basecamp will present you with two options: Archive and Delete. Archiving simply hides the project, but keeps all the data intact. Deleting, however, is permanent. Be absolutely sure you want to delete the project, as this action cannot be undone. If you're certain, check the confirmation box, acknowledging that you understand the implications of deleting the project. Then, click the red button labeled Yes, permanently delete this project. And that's it. The project is now permanently deleted from Basecamp. Remember to always double-check before deleting any project to avoid accidental data loss. Happy organizing!